welcome to you guys. It's Moen. In this session, we're gonna start coding, which is so good. I like this part. I mean, when we start coding and making applications and many things and stuff like this. So, let's go and start it. Here, I'm gonna open folder and then I come to desktop and I make a new folder and let's just name it to our first project. It can be a cool name for the beginning and select the folder. Now we have the folder here. Let's just close this one. Yeah, it's our folder. Now we're gonna create some files inside of it. So it's our first HTML and it's gonna be named to an .html file. So the name can be anything you like, but after the name the type should be .html to be opened with a browser. The only format which is gonna be detected with a browser is HTML. There are something else. There you can find something else, but the main thing is HTML. And we're gonna learn how to code in HTML. As you remember, I told you about how HTML works and how CSS works and how JS works. I told you about the three languages. And we're gonna start from HTML. First of all, go for HTML. Just type HTML in order to create an HTML page and tap on the button which is called tab. And then you have this one. It's so cool that it can be created by the VS Code and you don't need to write all of it. And everything in HTML will be started with this one and will be finished with this one. You know, same thing, just we added this little guy here. Yeah. And here we have an HTML page. Then we should go for other stuffs. Let's create a head and create a body for it. We have a head, we have a body. Let me show you what the heck is going on here, because you're a little confused, I think. So here in this part we have a picture, we have the name Google, and it is the title and the head of our project, and this part is the body of our project. Sorry about background noises if you can hear them. So this is the head and this is the body. If you're gonna make anything here, you should type it in head. If you're gonna make anything for this part, I mean the page, you should go for the body. Let me show you how it works. Let's just open up this little guy. You can copy it. You can copy the path or come to your desktop. So where is your project? Yeah, first project, and open it up like this. There is nothing inside of this page, but we can write something and print it in this page. Let's start with P. Just come here and type P. After that, tap on the tab. Then you will have something like this, and you can see this one. I just use enter after I use the tab. It's not important. Then type hello world. See, I just saved it with Ctrl S or Command S. Maybe you use Mac. And then I just reloaded this page, and as you see, what I typed inside of P and the body just showed up here. It's so cool, guys. And what if I want to make a title for my page? How can I do this? HTML is so easy, guys. You're gonna make a title. Where do you wanna make it? You're gonna make it in the head bar. Okay, just come inside the head, type title, enter, and type anything you want. For example, test. You can type anything. And then you see this one. It's so cool, guys. You can type anything you want. You will see the summary of your code. I think we just started coding so fast. I hope you liked it. Then just continue this. Sometimes we have some context. You know, we're gonna type many things like I started programming few minutes ago, and I am so happy about what I'm doing. Sorry if my grammar is too bad. I'm so sorry about it. I just tried to fix it. Yeah, it's a little better. Let's see if it's, yeah, it's okay, it works. What if we try to make a header, I mean a title for it? For example, we're gonna type story just here, and others will be paragraphs after that. So here we come and type h1 in order to make first header, and we just make a title for it. For example, my story. H means header and P means paragraph, I think. As I remember, it was something like paragraph. And this H has a number after that. Don't forget the number. If we give it 1, it will be big, really big. And if you reduce number until 6, it only works until 6. The title will be reduced, I mean the size will be lower. So let's go and take a look at what we've done. Wow, we got this title here. Very nice. It's so exciting. And we're gonna try other titles. For example, I have another story which is not as important as the first one. So I'm gonna make an H2 for it. It's not gonna be that important. For example, continue of story. And I'm gonna write the story here. Yeah. I make a P, then I'm just looking to create some context just for testing if our code is gonna work or something like this. So I started programming a few minutes ago, and I'm so happy about what I'm doing. I hope that I be successful in my way to learn programming. Very cool. Let's go and take a look at the summary. Yeah, it's not as big as the first one because it's H2. You can continue that until H6. It's just a test, and I'm gonna delete that after we tested that. You know, it will test. As you see, it's a title because it's bold. but it's so small. It's just a little thing. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, with this zoom, you can see this one. It's H6, it's P, it's H2, and it's another P, and it is H1, which is so cool. So let's just come back to VS Code. I'm so excited. I don't want this one to be here. I don't want to delete that. I like it to be here, but I just don't want it to be working, you know. I just want this one to be here, but not in our page here. So what should I do? Let's just select it completely. Just select that completely, and then hold the control or the command, and then tap on this slash near your shift at the right. Then it happens. If you couldn't do that with the shortcuts, you can make these things here to make a comment. Wow, it's called comment. I should have never told you this one by now. And then here we go. There is no title. It's not deleted, but it's not working anymore. If you put this one at the beginning of something and then finish it with something like this, that will be disappeared. You have this one. If you wanna make it come back, you can come back and use control slash, and then it will be back perfectly at its place. See, it's working, but I just need to come back. Yeah, it is how it works. Next session we will continue. If you like coding like this with many funny things, give it a thumbs up. See you guys.